Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the best OBS settings for streaming in 2026. I will keep everything simple so that whether you are streaming on YouTube, Twitch or Facebook, you will get smooth video, clear audio and fewer drops or lags. So first of all, you need to open your OBS studio. Once you are inside, simply hover over to the right hand section, then click on the option of settings. Now in the settings, you first of all need to go here in the output section. In the output section, look for the option of the advanced. So here for encoder, if you have a modern NVIDIA or AMD GPU, you can choose the hardware encoder like NVENC or AV1 HEVC. Hardware encoding is going to give you the smoother streams and less CPU usage. If you have an older PC, you can stick with the X264 software encoder on very fast preset. From here too, you can also basically set the rate control to CBR for bitrate. You can select the 1080p 60 fps and this is going to basically match with your upload speed. Your internet upload should be at least double your chosen bitrate. Next, over here, simply go to the video section. Over here, the base resolution will be selected, but you can anytime click on this drop down menu and then you can set as per your own requirements. So if your PC is weaker, you can use 1280 into 720p, but if your output resolution is supporting 1920 into 10080, you can select this particular resolution. For the download scale filter, you can choose Lencos for the best quality, and then you can set the FPS to 60 for games and 30 for chatting and just taking the streams. Now here go to the section of audio. Now in the audio, simply look for the option of the rate and you need to set it to 48k Hz. In output, select the audio, set the streaming audio bitrate to 160 to 190 kbps for clear mic and the game sound. Now you need to go to the advanced setting as well. Over here, you need to set the process priority to above normal so that OBS stays smooth while gaming. You can also turn on the dynamic bitrate if your platform supports it. This is going to help prevent the stream disconnection when your internet fluctuates. Now before going live, always do a test recording. If your game lags, lower the output resolution or FPS, or you can switch from the software to the hardware encoder. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.